英文呈分試其中一個比較複雜嘅課題係條件從句 conditional sentences， 因為佢分開 type 1、type 2、type 3，仲有 type 0，每一個 type 都有佢自己嘅意，有唔同嘅作用。我哋先睇一睇 conditional sentence 係啲乜嘢嚟嘅。A conditional sentence talks about a situation or action and its results。條件從句嘅作用係愛嚟表達當一啲情況 a situation 或者一啲動作 action 發生咗之後，佢會帶出乜嘢嘅結果 its results。 好啦，我哋而家先睇一睇 type 1係啲咩嚟嘅。同學對理解 type 1呢，通常唔會太困難嘅，因為 type 1呢係講一啲 real situation， 一啲真實嘅條件。We use type 1 to talk about a real or likely result if the situation in the if clause actually occurs。 type 1嘅作用我嚟做咩嘅呢？當一啲真實嘅情況或者條件出現咗嘅時候，就會帶嚟一個真實嘅結果。嗱，用例句去解釋啦。If Tom comes before 7, I will help him。 如果阿 Tom 7點前嚟到，我會幫佢。嗱，呢一句好簡單嘅啫，個動詞結構係點呢？ If clause 入邊用 simple present comes， if Tom comes before 7， third person singular simple present 加 s 或者 es。I will simple future I will help him， 我會幫佢。嗱，睇多另外一個例句啊。If it rains I will stay at home。 如果落雨呢個條件出現，我就會留喺屋企。Type 1嘅作用係愛嚟表達一啲當某一些條件或者動作發生咗，就會帶出我哋預期嘅結果，全部係 real 嘅，所以唔難理解。但係當 type 2一出現嗰時候咧，同學就可能會有啲問題啦。所以我哋一定要了解 type 2嘅意係乜嘢， type 2嘅作用同 type 1有咩唔同。好啦，講講 type 2嗰個條件先，全部係 unreal 嘅 imaginary situation， 非真實嘅條件句。而 type 2嘅意，佢嘅作用又係咩呢？ We use type 2 to talk about imaginary or unreal situations in the present。 講緊乜嘢啊？我哋用 type 2去形容 in the present 嘅事情，不過條件句裏邊講嘅嘢全部都係 imaginary 或者係一啲 unreal situations。 好啦，用例句去解釋啦。之前 type 1我哋用嘅係 If Tom comes before 7, I would help him。 但係而家 type 2變成點呢？ If he came before 7, I would help him。 我先俾一個現實嘅情況俾大家先。阿 Tom 而家人在美國，所以佢根本冇可能7點鐘前嚟得到，所以我亦都唔會幫佢。睇清楚 type 2嘅意義咯。type 2係要表達喺個條件句 if clause 裏邊一啲 unreal situation， 阿 Tom 根本冇可能7點前嚟到嘅，令到個結果係唔會出現。I would help him， 亦都一定唔會發生，因為佢7點前根本嚟唔到。所以 type 2係要表達一啲 unreal 嘅條件，而嗰個結果亦都係唔會出現。頭先我哋學過 type 1嘅形 if clause 我哋係用 simple present， main clause 我哋係用 simple future， 而 type 2咧個形係點咧？ if clause 裏邊我哋用 simple past came if Tom came， 而個 main clause 我哋係用 would 再加個 base。 好啦，睇多個例句啊。 If I had more time I would travel simple past 表達 unreal， would 再加個 base 表達一啲唔會出現嘅 result。 但大家要清楚知道，我哋而家係講緊 in the present 咋。如果而家我有多啲時間， 我就會去環遊世界。但係基本上我而家好忙碌，我根本冇時間嘅。我用咗 had more time 去表達呢一個 unreal situation。而 type 2裏邊仲有一個好特別嘅 grammar rule，就係當我哋喺 if clause 裏邊用到 verb to be 嗰陣時候，無論係咩人稱 for all subjects， 我哋用上 were。 If I were Superman, I would fly to Mars。 如果我係超人，我會飛去火星。If he were Superman, he would fly to Mars。 無論呢個係 I, he, you, we, they, she, it， 全部用 were。 所以我哋一定要清楚知道 type 1同埋 type 2嘅義同埋形，我哋就可以正確咁樣使用 conditional sentences type 1同 type 2。